Good morning, children. Welcome to your online English class. Today we are going to discuss that how can we write a formal letter. Informal letter we have already discussed. Now it's time to understand that how can we write a formal letter. Obviously, children, formal letter is written to the high authorities. Formal letter is written to the principal, the editor of a newspaper. What is the format, what kind of language will be used, and how can you write a correct formal letter. It is very easy to write a letter, but as there is a difference between English and correct English, in the same way there is a difference between writing a letter and a correct letter. In correct formal letter, layout, a proper layout is there, and the same we are going to understand in this video. So let's start it. Children, focus on the screen, and first of all we are going to understand how can we write an application. Although application is also a formal letter, in application sender's address will not be mentioned. The beginning will be with the date. Always remember date, either you will mention May 16, 2020 or whichever date is there, 16th May, 2020. Do not use hyphen, full stop or slash for while writing the date. Further, after date leave one margin line, then the person's designation. If the person is the principal, the director, or whichsoever post is there, whichsoever designation of the person is there, that will be mentioned. Further, receiver's address. Always remember, children, when you will be writing designation and receiver's address, initial letter of every word will be capital. In receiver's address, obviously city will also be mentioned. It is incomplete without a city's name. After receiver's address, we are supposed to leave one margin line. Then subject we will mention. After subject, use only and only colon sign, and subject should be in phrases only. Do not write lengthy sentences for making the reader understand what is the subject about. The subject should be crisp and clear. It should be in phrase. It should give an idea to the reader that yes, the letter is about what. Salutation. We will address the addressee, the person, in a very formal way by writing respected sir, respected ma'am. Body of the application. Body of the application means the main content, subject matter which we are going to write, that will be in the body. The whole content will be in body part. Concluding remark. Obviously, when we are about to wind up our letter, we are about to complete our letter, we always give a concluding remark, that is, I will be thankful to you if you do that, if you listen to our request. We are hoping for the positive response. In such a way we are supposed to give concluding remark. After that, subscription will be there. That is called a complimentary ending also. Subscription will be there, in which first of all we will mention the signature and then name of the writer. Next we have formal letter. Sometimes we are supposed to write a letter to the editor also. So when we write a letter to the editor, we are supposed to mention sender's address, date, designation, receiver's address. Further also beta, everything is same as application, like date, designation, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, concluding remarks, subscription, etc. Only the difference is when we will be writing a letter to the editor, we are supposed to mention sender's address. And do not forget such points like in designation and receiver's address, every initial letter of every word, each word will be capital. Date will be mentioned in a formal way, May 20, 2020 or 16th May, 2020. In such a way, both the layouts should be clear to you. Only then you will be able to write a correct formal letter. Thank you, children.